Hi, everyone. Joe Gentili from Saroff Gentili LLP. So if you have a stalled naturalization application and you want to get that decided by going to federal court, where do you file the lawsuit? So you're always going to file the lawsuit in federal court. Now, if you have a stalled naturalization application that is pre-interview and you're filing a mandamus APA lawsuit, you could file that case where you live, where your sponsor is located. You could file it in Washington, D.C. if the agencies that you're suing are headquartered there, or Maryland, or you could file where the service center is located that's handling your case. You have a lot of options, pros and cons with all those options. If you're filing for a stalled naturalization after that occurs 120 days after your interview, you have a lot less options because the separate law that deals with that specifically says that you file the lawsuit where you reside. So where you live is where the lawsuit's going to be filed. There's a couple of instances where that gets a little complicated. For instance, if the person filing the lawsuit is in custody or in prison, or if they're located overseas, then there's some other issues. But generally, for the vast majority of people, you're going to file it where you live within the U.S. One other note related to that is because these cases are in federal court, you don't have to hire a lawyer to handle your case where you live. So if you happen to live in the Eastern District of New York, let's say, you don't have to hire a lawyer that's also in the Eastern District of New York. For federal courts, it's very easy for attorneys that reside outside the district that are licensed elsewhere to get waived in through this process called pro hoc vice. So you should go with the best lawyer that you could find to handle your case. I suppose it could be a benefit if they're closer rather than further, if all other things are equal, but all other things are rarely equal. So just to take away with that is you don't necessarily have to hire a lawyer where you live to represent you in one of those cases. So I hope you liked the video. As always, feel free to contact me with any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.